Oh wait, BrightBuddy is staring at a coat zipper frustrated, trying to get it started, but the zipper is slipping. BrightBuddy is making sure that you all see his coat zipper. That is why he is so close to the camera. Can you all see it? Great. Ugh, the zipper. Why is it so hard to get started? Most kids get stuck right here. BrightBuddy friends, has this happened to any of you? Okay, tell mom, dad, or any grown-up to put it in the comment, and I will let BrightBuddy know so he can help. Hey, if zippers are tricky for you, you're not alone. BrightBuddy struggled too, but then BrightBuddy found the trick. And now, the zipper doesn't stand a chance. Friends, are you all watching closely? BrightBuddy got this. BrightBuddy straightens up confidently and winks smilingly. Okay, let's count together. 3, 2, 1. Yes. BrightBuddy found the secret. Can you all see it? Fantastic. Are you doing it with a grown-up who is watching? Let me hear from you. Wait. Did I tell you there is a 3-step zipper trick? Oh yes. Join me and let's look at these steps. Here's the BrightBuddy zipper trick 3 steps. Step 1. Hold the bottom of your zipper still with one hand. Don't let it wiggle. Step 2. Push the zipper down all the way to the very bottom. Click it in. Step 3. Now zip up slow and steady all the way to the top. That's it. Hold, click, zip. Hold the bottom still. Click the pull in, zip it up. 038. 052. The challenge. Now here's the BrightBuddy challenge. Go get your coat right now. Put it on and zip it up all by yourself. No help. BrightBuddy is right here watching. Are you all getting your coats? No peeking. Hold, click, zip. BrightBuddy believes you can do it. BrightBuddy steps back and gives a dramatic countdown gesture. 3, 2, 1. Your turn. Go get your coat. Did you do it? Tell us. Little heroes, type in the comments if you zipped it yourself. Moms, dads, and grown-ups, save this one for tonight. Let them try it solo. You've got this the BrightBuddySkills way. Yay, BrightBuddy, big celebration. I did it myself. Drop it below.